The most popular RC drift car on Amazon isn't always the best one for your needs. Everyone assumes bestseller means best performance, but when it comes to drifting, real control, battery life, and tire options actually matter way more than flashy packaging. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 top contenders so you know exactly which one fits your style. Product number 1, ACMMZ AR124 Drift Racer. First up is the ACMMZ AR124 scale drift car, a compact, fast little machine that surprised me with its build quality for under $45. What caught my eye was the 20 km/h top speed and dual battery setup that gives you a full 50 minutes of runtime. That's rare in this price range. The two 4 GHz remote reaches up to 50 meters, which is solid for indoor tracks or backyard sessions. It even comes with LED lights and 2 sets of tires, drift and racing, plus extra barriers to set up your own mini circuit. Honestly, the only downside is the manufacturer recommended age of 0-2 years, which feels way off. This thing is definitely not for toddlers. It's built for older kids and adults who want real performance. Now, some people might complain about the lack of detailed instructions, but honestly, if you've ever handled an RC car before, setup is intuitive. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced drift car with serious runtime and don't mind assembling it yourself. Skip this if you need something ultra durable for rough outdoor terrain. It's best on smooth floors. For the price and included extras, it's a steal. Product number 2, PIWJI 124 Pro Drift. Now, if the ACMMZR felt a bit toy-like, the PIWJI steps up with a more refined design and better attention to detail. Priced the same at $42.46, this one feels sturdier thanks to its high-toughness PVC body and tri-zone LED lighting, headlights, taillights, and underglow that actually make night drifting look legit. Like the last one, it hits 20 km/h and includes 2 500 mAh batteries for 50+ minutes of play. But here's where it shines: the quick-swap battery compartment and modular tire system. Switching from drift to racing tires takes seconds, and the quick-release mechanism actually works, no tiny screws to lose. The only real flaw, the weight distribution feels slightly front-heavy, which can cause understeer on tight corners if you're not careful. This is perfect for you if you want something that looks cool, performs well, and lets you customize your ride without tools. Skip this if you plan to bash it outdoors on gravel or grass. It's optimized for smooth surfaces. For the build quality and features, it's easily one of the best values here. Product number 3, ENHE PIWJI Lamborghini Venino. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be even better if you care about style and brand authenticity. The ENHE PIWJI Lamborghini Venino is officially licensed, meaning every curve matches the real supercar. This isn't just a toy, it's a collectible. The 2-in-1 drift and race mode is genius. Swap tires and go from grip to slide in minutes. The 4 GHz remote has a 200 ft range, and the ABS shell holds up surprisingly well to crashes. That said, the top speed is noticeably slower than the others, 15 km/h versus 20 km/h, so if raw speed is your priority, this might feel underwhelming. Also, the non-standard battery type means replacements aren't as easy to find. But if you're buying this for the looks, the brand prestige, or as a gift for a kid who loves supercars, those trade-offs are totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want something that doubles as a display piece and still drifts well indoors. Skip this if you're chasing max speed or need universal spare parts. As a gift, absolutely killer. Product number 4, Sikai 1/16 scale Beast. Now we're stepping into bigger territory with the Sikai 1/16 scale drift car. This thing is noticeably larger and heavier at 1.8 pounds, giving it a more substantial feel. At $55.33, it's the most expensive here, but you get what you pay for: 18 km/h speed, a spray mist effect at the rear, yes, really. The 4 GHz remote supports multiplayer racing without interference, and the 2 included Li-ion batteries give nearly 40 minutes of combined runtime. The removable, replaceable tires are high quality and thickened, so wear isn't an issue. My only gripe, the spray function uses a tiny water reservoir that drains fast, and honestly, it's more gimmick than function. Plus, at this size, it takes up more space and isn't as nimble in tight rooms. But if you've got the room and want presence, performance, and wow factor, this delivers. This is perfect for you if you want a premium-feeling drift car with extra flair and don't mind the higher price. Skip this if you need something portable or primarily for small spaces. It's a statement piece, and it drifts like one too. Product number 5, Doni Budget Drifter. Finally, the Doni RC drift car proves you don't need to spend big to have fun. At just $29.59, it's the cheapest here, and with 900 plus bought last month, it's clearly popular. Don't let the price fool you. It hits 15 km/h, has full 4WD, and includes 2 rechargeable batteries for 20-30 minutes of play each. The 4 GHz remote is stable, supports multi-car racing, and the car comes with both drift and racing tires plus 6 traffic cones to build your own track. The build feels a bit lighter than the others, and the charging time is around 2 hours longer than ideal. Also, the shell, while impact-resistant, shows scratches easily if you're rough with it. But for the price, you're getting 80% of the performance of models twice as expensive. This is perfect for you if you're new to RC drifting, shopping for a gift under $30, or just want something fun without breaking the bank. Skip this if you need long battery life or plan to use it heavily outdoors. For casual fun and entry-level drifting, it's unbeatable value. So which one should you pick? If you want the best balance of speed, runtime, and extras, go with the ACMMZ or PIWJI. Love supercar style? The Lamborghini Venino is a head-turner. Want maximum presence and don't mind spending more? The Sikai 116 delivers. And if budget is tight, the Doni proves you don't need to overspend to drift right. All 5 are solid, just match the car to your needs, not the sales numbers.